Hello everyone, I am Khazi Mujaviz. Welcome to EdTech. Today we are going to learn about COUNTIF function. COUNTIF function, the Excel COUNTIF function returns the count of cells in a range that meet a single condition. Purpose: count cells that match criteria. Return value, a number representing cells counted. Syntax: COUNTIF, range, criteria. What is range? The range of cells to count. Criteria, the criteria that controls which cells should be counted. So here we are going to see how many cells are over 100. So we have to start with equal, then type count if. You can use this tab to select the COUNTIF function. Select the range where you want to search that particular condition, comma, double quote start, greater than sign, 100, close the double quote, close the bracket and hit the enter key. You will get the result, sales over 100. Now we have to find sales by Jim. Equal, count, select the COUNTIF function, hit the tab key, range. Here in a name we have to select the range of the cells, then comma, double quote start, Jim. We have to find the Jim, count, double quote close, bracket close, hit the enter key. Now the same way we have to find out the sales in California. So start with equal, count if, select the function, select the range where we have to find out the California, then comma, double quote start, CA, double quote close, bracket close, hit the enter key. So this is the way how we can use the COUNTIF function. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel in case you aren't subscribed already. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.